Okay, good morning. Let's talk about the violence against women and children. The Republic Act 9262, the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. The state values the dignity of women and children and guarantees full respect for human rights. The state also recognizes the need to protect the family and its members, particularly women and children, from violence and threats to their personal safety and security. That is Section 2 RA 9262. It refers to the act of a series of acts committed by any person against a woman who is his wife, former wife, or against a woman with whom the person has or had a sexual or dating relationship, or with whom he has a common child, or against her child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, within or without the family, avoid which result in or is likely to result in physical, sexual, psychological harm, or suffering, or economic abuse, including threats of such acts, battery, assault, coercion, harassment, or arbitrary deprivation of liberty in Section 3 RA 9262. Okay, let's talk about the forms of violence. The acts of violence against women and their children. Number 1 is physical violence, sexual violence, psychological violence, economic violence. But for now, let's talk about the psychological violence. What is psychological violence? It refers to acts of omission that cause mental or emotional suffering. It's committed through conduct that causes alarm, emotional, or psychological distress to the woman and her child. Intimidation, harassment, stalking, damage to property, public ridicule or humiliation, repeated verbal abuse, and marital infidelity. Okay, let's talk about the story of Maria. Maria is 6 years old when her parents separated, and she's from West Indian. In her childhood, he witnessed her father being abusive to her mother, physically, verbally, emotionally, and financially. Maria's father beat her mother and sometimes threw things at her during arguments. My parents' small arguments almost every day, as her mother challenged the father's abusive behavior. During her parents' fight, Maya would cry, scream, and beg them to stop. And then, when her mother realized that it's better to get divorced or separated with her husband, then at that age, at that time, Maria is already 6 years old, and because of that abusive act of her father, Maria could not focus on her study. So Maria has two sisters, but she is not close too much to them. But despite of the challenges and trials, Maria pursued her education. She studied in Canada and Guyana, and because of her dedication or determination, he graduated. And she is grateful to her mother because his mother working hard and provide all her needs in school. But she is also worried about her father's health, as he recently had a heart attack. According to Maria, even though her parents' past relationship contributed to her eventually becoming a stronger person, it took her some time to reach the a stage where she could advocate for herself. Maria has overcome low self-esteem, her feeling of worthlessness. Despite having a checkered career, Maria feels she was found her path. Okay, man ako yun. Maria is the one of the inspiration of woman who experience like her experience. May mga kababaihan kasi na nagkaroon sila ng hindi magandang pamilya or abusive na father or a member of her family. Doon sila nagre-rebelde. For example, yung mga kabataan, kakaroon sila ng seek for belongingness. Kaya naghanap sila agad ng mapapangasawa, ganun. Pero si Maria hindi ganun. Nagkaroon siya ng encouragement despite of her experience. Naging inspiration niya para magpatuloy sa buhay. Nakapag-aral din siya. Kahit na yung mother niya na nagpapaaral sa kanya. And then nagkaroon siya ng courage na hindi i-hate yung father niya dahil sa mga ginagawa niya kay mother niya. And then at hindi din siya sinusuportahan nito. Pero sa mga kababaihan na nakakaranas ng mga ganito, physical violence or physical abusive or psychological and then other abusive against them, sana magkaroon sila ng courage na magpatuloy sa buhay. Kasi nga yun yung kinagisnan nila, pero hindi big sabihin na dun na or dun na mag-iisap yung story na. Pero let's make the difference. Like si Maria, nagkaroon siya ng courage. Ginamit niya yun para maging mas better or stronger person. But it takes courage to do that. The Republic Act number 9262, or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, violence against women is classified as public crime and penalties all forms of abuse and violence within the family and intimate relationships. So thanks for listening.